Hi everybody. That's a good look. Low budget film today. I'm planning boards for another countertop. Yeah, it's one of those videos. I'm looking for a specific barn board because we planed one the other day and it was purple. It's a purple barn board. So I've been planing boards trying to find more purple barn boards. And I figured it out. I know which ones are purple now by looking at them. I gotta show you these boards because purple doesn't really exist unless you're a tropical board. Just so you know there, Sonny Jim. I told my wife I was inspired. I had to get out here and shoot this video quick to show people these purple boards, and she's in there listening to Dave Matthews doing pottery, sipping coffee, making plans to plane a board. But I started planing one of the boards. It takes about 15 minutes. Most people are gonna think, oh, that's not bad, 15 minutes, that's a good time to plane a board. No, it's not. It should take you maybe 2 tops to plane a board. You put it in, it comes out. It's like a Play-Doh fun factory for lumber. Okay, I'm gonna be planing one of these boards. So I'm gonna go to town, you're gonna watch. You don't have a choice, you're watching the video. Here is the start of a board. I picked out some reasonably straight ones. The normal woodworker that looks at this board, they are crying right now. Full of whitewash, fancy uniformed mold all over it, dirt. Oh, let's see. Yeah, there's that nice little crook. Tell me that's not fun to put through a planer and try to make it straight. I can do it. The secret to finding the purple boards, they have to have the whitewash on them. But I'm gonna show you where these boards live. Come on, follow me, let's go. Oh, I'm taking off my gloves, sorry for the shaky. I told you this was low budget. Ooh, that's pretty. Wow, look at that. Oh God, don't step on a nail. They still have nails. Ooh, look at, oh my God, what was on me? You look down it's just a little board, that's all. But the ones I'm looking for, look it, down here, see that whitewash? That's where the purple is. See, whitewash. This is what they look like. And the other side, just a little bit dirty. And it's not species specific. There it is. It has to have a certain environment. So you want to see what the purple boards look like, mate? I wish I could show you, I really do, but absence just makes the heart grow fonder now, doesn't it? No, I'm just joking, I'm joking. Let's go see the board, let's go see the boards. We're going on a trip. I'm gonna show you what those purple boards look like. And you are gonna poop your pants. God, look it, that's purple. It's not purple heart, it's purple. So I'm thinking that's a piece of elm. And there's lots of little holes in it, so these are all elm. This is a piece of ash. He has purple in him, but when you look back, you know, his purple's really dark purple. Those 3 are more brighter purple. See, that's where a floor beam was. If we look up here, floor beams. So this was out in the open environment that was protected with a beam. So I'm thinking it's not a species only type of thing. I'm thinking it has to deal with its environment. But look at all of that purple. I mean, isn't that going to be the coolest countertop? Look at that in the sun. I'm just a little excited about these purple boards. The hard part about getting that purple is not only finding that board and having the right atmosphere and history can make it the purple, but it only goes in so far. If I plane too much, the purple be gone. But purple boards, I figured out the riddle of steel. I was on a natural high. I mean, I found these 3 boards with purple in it, and I felt like Mikey from the Goonies, who just found the treasure map behind the painting. It's like, yeah, let's go get Chester Copperpot and show him what a purple board looks like. Said I'm excited, and That's what I do. I'm an adult. I'm in my 40s. I can do what I want. You don't like it, call your congressman. Yeah, well, thanks for coming on this journey with me. I mean, I'll find those boards. Don't you worry about that. It just won't happen tonight. 7:30. I'm getting a little tired. It's starting to get dark out. I can keep going, but I'm tired. They're hard to push through. Did you not? Were you watching? Selfish. Thanks for watching. The purple boards will be back. You'll see them finished sometime, full show. Not sure when. I'm just kind of doing this for fun because I can't glue. It's too cold because there's snow outside. And remember, when it's spring, it's winter in Wisconsin. I blame Vivaldi on all this crap. But anyways, thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you next time. Hopefully with more purple boards. Yeah. Okay. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye. Purple boards. They're not for breakfast anymore. You don't like it? Tell your mom. I'm going to set you guys over here. Ooh, look at you all grown up. See this board? Any woodworker can make straight boards look good. Purple boards does body good. You don't like it? Stick your head in the microwave and get yourself a tan. Purple boards. You know who likes purple boards? Joe. Joe Mama. And yeah, Dave Matthews, America's favorite songwriter and musician. And if you don't like Dave Matthews, then you're purple boards. They can stop a urinary tract infection. It's so hard it blew off my glasses. That's how tough this is becoming. If you don't like Dave Matthews, then you. This is why I have a +10 in woodworking. Focus on my nose. Play my head, monkey. Dave Matthews.